So I said that f dash of c, you know how to calculate. So I put the value of f dash of c, then I put f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Now this equation I will solve further. Minus 27 and plus 7, that is going to be minus 20. Minus 20 upon 2, that is going to be minus 10. Minus 10 when comes to the other side, it becomes plus 10. Plus 10 and minus 3. So that is going to be 3c squared minus 10c plus 7 is equal to 0. If you factorize this, you know now how to take factors, no? 3 sevens are 21 and 3 plus 10, that is minus 3 and minus 10. So you know how to split the middle term and factorize. When you factorize and solve, you get two values of c, that is c is equal to 1 or c is equal to 7 upon 3. Now, दो values possible नहीं है, you will get only one value which is going to follow the mean value theorem. So I go to the first value, that is c is equal to 1. It must belong to the open interval. So here 1 does not belong to the open interval 1 comma 3. Open interval means 1 is not included inside. Okay, so 1 does not belong to this, यानी कि 1 will not satisfy the mean value theorem. So now we go to the second value, 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 will be something like 2 point something. 2 point something, that means it is going to lie between 1 and 3. So the value c is equal to 7 upon 3 belongs to the interval 1 comma 3. So for c is equal to 7 upon 3, the mean value theorem is verified. So we verified the mean value theorem. But question में एक और चीज पूछी है कि if f dash of c is equal to 0, then does a c exist belonging to the open interval? So if I say f dash of c is equal to 0, this is your f dash of c. So when you try to factorize, you do not get proper factors. When you factorize, you get some root factors, and that will be something 5 plus something or minus something. And what the answer you get, that does not belong to the open interval 1 comma 3. So you can resolve and solve it in one more step on. तो this f dash of c is equal to 0 करके solve करने का, तो 3c square minus 10c minus 3 is equal to 0 करके solve करो, you will get some value of c, but that c does not belong to the open interval 1 comma 3. So the question was, does there exist a c? So we say no, there does not exist any c such that f dash of c is equal to 0 and c belongs to the open interval. So second question is a no. Let's go to the next one. Okay children, now we'll go to question number 6, that is the third one. 1 and 2 are integer functions, and integer functions are never continuous and therefore not differentiable. So 1 and 2 may not continuous, not differentiable, and therefore if not continuous and not differentiable, mean value theorem cannot be applied to it. So we directly go to the third question, and now third question it is, f of x is x squared minus 1 when x belongs to the closed interval 1 comma 2. Now I first of all differentiate my function and keep ready. So x square ka differentiation would be 2x, constant 1 ka differentiation will be 0. So answer of differentiation is 2x. Now f of x is x square minus 1. It is a quadratic polynomial. So if it is a quadratic polynomial, all polynomials are always continuous on the closed interval and differentiable on the open interval. So now I will say that therefore, because it is continuous and differentiable, it is going to be applied, yani ki it is applicable, mean value theorem can be applied to the function f. Now if you want to apply mean value theorem, आपको f of a और f of b find out करके ready रखना पड़ेगा. तो I find f of a. What is my a? A is 1 and b is 2. I find f of a, यानी कि f of 1. यहाँ पर 1 रखना है, तो 1 square minus 1, तो that is going to be 0. And then I put here 2, f of 2, तो 2 square minus 1, यानी कि 4 minus 1, that is going to be 3. So I found out f of a, I found out f of b. Now I say that because mean value theorem can be applicable, I will find out c. Now C कैसा होगा? There will exist C belonging to the open interval 1 comma 2 such that f dash of C should be equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. My B was 2 and A was 1. So f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. F dash of C. So my f dash of x was 2x. So instead of x, I put here C. So I have f dash of C will become equal to 2C. So now I have 2C is equal to, I substitute the value for f of 2 was 3 and f of 1 was 0. So 3 minus 0 upon 1, यानी कि 3 upon 1, that is 3. So 2C is equal to 3, यानी कि C becomes equal to 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 means it is approximately 1.5. So 1.5 belongs, it's a value between 1 and 2. So yes, 1.5 यानी कि 3 by 2 belongs to the open interval 1 comma 2. And therefore our mean value theorem is verified. Okay, so this exercise related to Rolle's and mean value theorem is over. Let's meet in the next session.